As an Afterbuild client, we want to keep you informed of everything we do for your customers. So we've created the client portal, and we would like to take a moment of your time to explain how this works. First, you must complete the registration process. Scan this QR code, or go to this link, www.clientservices.uk.com. You can register multiple users, which means different members of your team can focus on different aspects of the data. This is really simple, and in each case need only be done once. The client portal is available to use at any time of any day. It's convenient and it's secure. You can only see data pertaining to your developments. Each time one of your customers reports a defect using the occupant portal, it is logged on the system. Using the client portal, you can see each defect and follow our actions to resolve them. So, what exactly can the client portal tell me? You can view all defects logged against your sites, and using the built-in filters, analyze the results. Filters include job number, contractor, plot, date logged, trade category, and status. Use charts and graphs to illustrate information. We know how important it is to be able to produce professional reports. You can also output the results to Microsoft Excel or CSV, or just print. This allows you to pull the data through into another system or format, or just produce a hard copy. The scheduling tool is a great feature, allowing you to create reports that the system will email to you. Simply create the report, define the time period it must cover, and establish the frequency you wish to receive it. The client portal, keeping you informed.